Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to build an AI agent calendar assistant using N10, OpenAI, and Google Calendar. By the end of this video, you will have a chat-driven assistant that check in availability, create events, retrieve your schedule, and delete appointments all using natural language. These assistant understand plain English command, check your calendar to avoid double booking, creates and delete events, and lets you query your schedule. Think of it as a smart scheduling co-pilot that lives inside N8N. And we got our booking e-commerce store setup discussion. Architecture is just 7 nodes. A chat trigger receives the message, an AI agent and OpenAI model make decisions, and the four Google Calendar tool nodes handle availability, fetching, creating, and deleting events. I will walk through each node in a second. The chat trigger is the entry point. It listens for incoming text from your chat interface. Any message like, am I free tomorrow at 2 p.m. or delete my 5 p.m. appointment will start the flow. In production, this could be connected to WhatsApp, a web chat, or even Slack. The LangChain agent acts as brain. It interprets intent, chooses which calendar tool to call, and chains multiple actions when needed. System prompt control is behavior. We use up to 10 iterations for problem solving. Here is our system prompt. And here it says that you are a helpful calendar assistant and you can check availability fast and retrieves event from Google Calendar. And then create event in Google Calendar of the hour, date, and time. If asked to delete calendar even for a specific time and date, it should retrieve all event and then delete the specific events. So when users are asked about dates, use the calendar tool to get the information. Always specify the date ranges clearly when using the tool and don't book more than one appointment at the same time slot. Now, here the model we are working with is OpenAI model and we are using GPT-4 and the temperature here we have set here is 0. After that, we check the flow of the booking in our Google Calendar. For this, I will trigger my chat first here. I will say, are any slots free today? And it will give me the availability in my calendar. It is whether it is available or not. So here it says is available true. So yes, there are free slots available today. Now I will say book a consultation for October 10th at 11 a.m. titled SEO Strategy Meeting. So now it will check on availability first in our calendar, then create an event in our Google Calendar. So it checks an availability. Yes, the date is available. Then it's create an event. Yes, the consultation title is a strategy has been successfully booked for October 10th. And now we will check it in our Google Calendar and it says here SEO strategy meeting 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. After that, I will say to check my delete an event node in our Google Calendar. I will pass the prompt, cancel my consultation booked on October 10th that I have shown you here on Friday. So we will pass this and we will trigger a chat. First, it will get an event, all the event, and then delete that specific event. So your consultation schedule for October 10th has been successfully cancelled. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask. Then I will check in my Google Calendar and here we don't see our consultation. So that's mean we have deleted our event in a Google Calendar. So we have seen our booking flow, workflow in our N8N. So download the workflow JSON from the link in the description and import it into your N8N instance. Configure the credentials and start testing. Customize the agent prompts to fit your business language or meeting types. That's it, your own AI calendar assistant built with N8 N. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what integration you want next. And so I will cover those next.